Owning a piece of Honda or Acura racing history sounds like a dream for any motorsport fan. Now, Honda is making that dream a reality with its new HRC Heritage Racing Program, giving enthusiasts the chance to purchase legendary race cars while also receiving professional restoration and trackside support. Honda Racing announced the program ahead of its appearance at the Quail, a motorsports gathering, during Monterey Car Week. The idea is pretty straightforward. Give collectors the opportunity to own championship-winning Honda and Acura race cars from major events, such as Le Mans, Sebring, Daytona, and Laguna Seca. The first car being offered is the number 26XM satellite radio, AGR Acura ARX-01A. This isn't just any old race car. Andretti Green Racing drove it to victory at the 2007 Sebring 12 Hours, and it achieved that incredible result in its very first race. The winning driver lineup included Dario Franchitti, Bryan Herta, and Tony Kanaan. The ARX-01A also has a special place in Acura's history. It was the brand's first purpose-built endurance racing car, and the first vehicle developed by Honda Racing Corporation in the United States. Honda hasn't revealed the asking price, but considering its racing history, this is clearly aimed at serious collectors and motorsport enthusiasts. Before these cars reach their new owners, Honda gives them a serious restoration. The process includes completely disassembling the car, replacing worn or outdated components, and updating certain materials and systems to improve safety. The engines are rebuilt, the electronics are updated, and once everything is put back together, the cars go through a thorough testing program. The really interesting part is that Honda doesn't simply hand over the keys and walk away. After the sale, HRC will continue providing trackside assistance and technical support to the owner. This program actually comes from Honda's previous experience restoring important race cars. The company has already restored 4 Acura ARX-05 DPI machines, which are now competing in the IMSA Historic Sports Car Racing Series. Honda has also brought back the 2010 Acura ARX-01C that was raced by Straka Racing and won its class at Le Mans. HRC was also involved in reviving the Reynard 01i driven by Gil de Ferran for Team Penske during the 2001 Kart Championship. So this isn't just a new idea on paper. Honda has already been putting serious effort into preserving its racing legacy. The company says IndyCar race cars powered by Honda engines will eventually become part of the Heritage Racing Program too. That could make this collection even more exciting for racing fans. During Monterey Car Week, Honda is displaying 20 historic race cars, including the newly offered Acura ARX-01A. With so much racing history on display, it wouldn't be surprising to see another legendary machine join the HRC Heritage Racing Program very soon. For collectors, this could be a rare opportunity to own a genuine championship-winning race car without having to figure out the restoration and track preparation themselves. Honda is basically offering the full package: racing history, professional restoration, and ongoing support. And for motorsport fans, that's a pretty incredible combination.